Two mini induction pans look interchangeable. Start with the Tramontina Nonstick for easy release eggs. Switch for searing, batch cooking, stainless durability, or a kitchen reset. Choose by cooking job, weight, upkeep, and storage. For delicate everyday cooking, choose the Tramontina Tri-Ply Nonstick Fry Pan. Its 10-inch, gently sloped surface suits eggs, pancakes, fish, and other foods you want to release cleanly. The induction-compatible clad base keeps it focused on quick skillet jobs. But the coating calls for lower heat, soft utensils, and hand washing. Skip it if you want aggressive searing, dishwasher cleanup, or cookware intended to last for decades. For serious browning, get the Lodge Chef Collection 12-inch Cast Iron Skillet. Its wide cooking area and strong heat retention suit searing, frying, roasting, baking, and meals that move into the oven. It's affordable and built for long ownership. Still, this 6.5-pound skillet responds slowly when you change the burner. Crowding can also expose uneven cooking toward the edges. Skip it if lifting heavy cookware or managing seasoning sounds tedious. Choose Lodge's 6-quart enamel-coated cast iron Dutch oven when braises, soups, and family-size sauces are on the menu. Its weight holds warmth steadily, helping frying, slow cooking, and oven finishing feel more controlled. That's convenient, and the enamel means you don't need seasoning. Still, it's bulky, slow to react after heat changes, and vulnerable to scratches or chips. Skip it if you want a lighter pot, instant temperature shifts, or carefree utensil use. For an everyday stainless workhorse, choose the All-Clad D3 Stainless 12 Fry Pan with lid. Its generous clad surface handles sautéing, searing, shallow braises, and covered one-pan dinners. It's the long-term choice for frequent cooks who'll use that versatility. However, the premium cost is significant, and the pan may click or whine on induction. Food may also need repositioning across the surface. Skip it if you want non-stick release, quiet operation, or lower ownership cost. For small daily portions, get the Tramontina Signature Tri-Ply clad stainless steel 2-quart covered saucepan. It fits sauces, grains, noodles, reheating, and other compact stovetop jobs without bringing out a large pot. That capacity makes sense for singles and couples, but it becomes restrictive for big soups, pasta, or meal prep. Its stainless surface requires more technique, and induction can produce clicking or whining. Skip it if family-size cooking is your normal routine. For a budget-minded kitchen reset, choose the Goldilocks Cookware Set. Its fully clad stainless lineup covers varied daily jobs, making it practical when you're replacing several induction pieces together. Buying the set also simplifies matching pots and skillets. Some pieces feel heavy for their size, and the lineup lacks a small covered sauté pan. The skillets require solid stainless technique, while induction may cause clicking or whining. Skip it if you need one specialty pan or prefer lighter cookware. For frequent batch meals, consider the Fissler Vitavit Premuim 6.3-quart pressure cooker. Its readable settings, smooth lid operation, clad base, and substantial capacity suit beans, grains, tougher cuts, and one-pot dinners. It can also work as a stock pot. The catch is a high upfront cost for a specialized piece, plus more storage demand than a regular saucepan. Induction heats it quickly, so settings take adjustment. Skip it if pressure cooking is occasional or you want the simplest routine. Here's the map. Tramontina non-stick handles delicate foods. Lodge skillet sears. Lodge Dutch oven braises. All-Clad covers daily stainless. Choose Tramontina saucepan for small portions, Goldilocks for a kitchen reset, or Fissler for fast batch meals. Before buying, check burner fit, lifting comfort, cabinet clearance, utensil compatibility, cleanup habits, and whether induction noise will annoy you. Start with the Tramontina non-stick if delicate foods dominate. Switch for stronger searing, bigger braises, lasting stainless, a full cookware reset, or frequent pressure cooking. Buy for your regular job, not imagined versatility. Links are in the description. That's the brief. Fit, trade-offs, and skip if before you buy. Subscribe for the next buying guide.